Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 74, Equal. So here's another video that presents a lateral thinking puzzle. This one is a little bit different. Let's see how you go with it. Why do 10 plus 10 and 11 plus 11 give the same answer? A clue will be given on the next slide. I know this seems a little bit odd, however, give it some thought, and in about 2 minutes I'll go to the next slide and I'll give you a clue. So please try and solve it because it'll be so satisfying. Okay, I wonder how you've gone so far. Here we go with a little clue, and if you haven't got it, this clue might help you. So the question was, why do 10 plus 10 and 11 plus 11 give the same answer? Excuse me. And the clue is, can you spell the answer for 11 plus 11 in a few ways? That's the clue. I know it's a difficult clue, but that is the clue, and it might help you. In 1 minute, I'll give you the answer on the next slide, so see if you can get the answer with that clue. Okay, I wonder how you went. Here is the answer. I'd be very interested what your reaction is after you see this. Here we go. So why do 10 plus 10 and 11 plus 11 give the same answer? The answer, 10 plus 10 equals 20, 11 plus 11 equals 22. Or we can say 22, which is the same answer as that one. And you might say, oh, that is sick. Well, that's possible, because a friend of mine actually said that when I told him the solution. I hope you enjoyed it, and there'll be more to come soon. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. So here is the next slide.